How to clean up and repair registry on Windows 11. Before clean or repair registry, first create a backup of registry. So if something bad happens, you can recover it easily. Click on Start menu. Then type Registry Edit on the search box. Click on it. Now click on File. Then select Export. Then save it to your desired folder. If you want to recover from it, just click on File, then select Import. After that, select the backup file. Now let's go to the main tutorial. Go to a browser. Search RegSoft Registry Repair. Click on the first result. Now click on Download Now button. After download complete, open it. Then a setup wizard will appear. Follow the setup wizard and accept the default options to install it. After completing installation, open the software. Then select Full Scan. Once the scanning done, click on Fix Errors. Then restart your computer. And that's how you can clean up and repair registry on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.